Hello viewers, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw an orange. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. And here you can see that I have drawn an orange. And here's some peeled off orange. I would prefer to draw one more. Okay, let's draw another one. Okay, that's enough. Let's draw a leaf. Another one. My drawing is done. Let's clean it. And now I'm trying to redraw the obvious lines that we really need. Let's start coloring. I'm using orange. Wow, that's really funny. Orange for orange. I mean orange color for orange. I mean orange color for fruit orange. No, I mean orange color for orange fruit. That's really funny. Anyway, let it go. coloring the leaf with green. Now I'm using light green. Did you notice that I didn't use my black pen? I mean my favorite black pen. Rather, I'm using a pencil. I'm using my pencil to do all the outlines. Okay, this is how you can draw an orange. But if you like, you can draw some shapes. Let me show you how you can do this. This is how you can draw an orange. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.